Well, let me start with a very direct question. Do you believe aliens exist?
Yes, sir, I do. Yes, sir, I do. I'm a Christian, and it doesn't. I'm on the forgiving end of the Christian spectrum. I'm not here to proselytize or save your soul, but I just tell you that for background. Genesis 1, chapter 1, God created the heavens and the earth. You look at the book of Ezekiel. Ezekiel saw the wheel, and it described a wheel within a wheel with some sort of landing craft, landing gear that came down from it. Um, in a wheel back in biblical times, the most advanced technological machinery they had was a wheel. So that's what they were describing as close as they could describe it. We've seen too much. I've seen too much. Not myself personally, but when I've been briefed by government officials, video, pictures, some of the best trained pilots in the world have described having close collisions with some sort of aircraft or apparatus. And so I think it's time that they come clean. I don't know if it's about little green men or flying saucers, Mr. Morgan, but I do think it's about disclosure. It's about transparency. And you, as a member of the media, should be all for that regardless. I just want to know what we're spending tens of millions